After welcome a new lecture of the lectures of Coptic language. In today's lecture, we are going to talk about conditional 2, the tense in which we say I would have done so or I would have done so. It's similar to the French tense conditionnel de, le deuxième conditionnel. We have the composition of it from na plus the pronoun na plus verb plus be, and it means na means I would have done, nakna you would have done, narina you would have done for female, nafna you would have done, he would have done, nasna she would have done, nana we would have done, naritina you would have done, navna you would have done, plus the verb plus be. And we add, if we use a noun instead of a pronoun, we say nare plus a noun plus na plus verb plus be. An example in the Gospel of St. John, chapter 14, verse 2. Uon umish imoni chenib impayot in imon nagos noten pe jitinashin intasepti homan noten. In my father's house there are many places, many mansions. If were not so, I would have, which is naina, told you I go to prepare a place for you. Naina I would have, goes said nothing to you, be completion of the perfect, J that, tinashin I will go, intercepti to prepare, uma a place nothing for you. Oshie behmot, thanks, shatina velotin beosh sneo, until seeing you next lesson.